Hi friends, this is Anik Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs as well as gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, US 30. So before we get into this big analysis through Elliott waves, so this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodity market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott Asian trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about the Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So there are the watch list. Now I created that new one. So adding this AUDJPY, CAD and New Zealand CAD. So nearly it comes around 16 pairs now, our watch list. So let's move on to DXY. So this DXY, I just created one channel. It's a bullish channel, and in previous it was my channel previous. Now I changed that according to the because this channel was broken here itself, and now it is, I thinking it may took a support. Exactly, it touched here, and then again it's looking like in weekly candle it's looked like a bullish. So now we change to, so my bias, weekly bias is it has to break that 103.82, this high it has to break. So now we are in that Z wave. I'll show you that. So this is the W, X, Y completed, and this is the connecting wave of in an expanded flat correction of the fourth, or this could be an X. So again that Z wave contains of WXY formation now. So here it's a W, X completed, and again I am expecting a three-way structure to break this high, and even though it may go up to this 109 also. This is my positional view. So it has to be around 3 ways to the upper side is possible as per my view. So if we switch into that daily, so this is an ABC is a A, so and then B. So I told in past week also, and the day before that stream, so this could be a 1, 2, 3 and 4 or 5 here, or it could be WX and the Y is the diagonal wave formation. So anyway, it is getting ready to as a bullish, I think so, because it's looking like a here, it's called as a 3 drive. It's a B, C, D, E here, 1, 2, 3, 1 second. It's a 3-way drive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's called as a 3-way drive. So I think it could be a reversal, and it's looked like a 5-way formation here. It's a clearly seen. In past it was a 5-way structure, and again it failed. So that could be an A, B, C as a 4, and again A, B, C as a 5 is completed, I think so here as per the diagonal wave formation. So 1, 2, here is a 3, and here that fourth is an running flat, and fifth way is also A, B and C is finished in, this is the 5-way formation here. This is a B, 1, 2, 3 and this whole thing is 4, 1 2 3 4 5 is completed. So the fifth way is got also a 5-way structure here. So clearly seen. But even though I had a little doubt, maybe again one more to the downside and then it can go upside also. Maybe, I'm not sure about that, because that daily it's look like a bullish pin bar, and weekly also it is in the bullish bar, and in monthly it's not yet, because it's still we are having a another 25 days. So as per in this, if we looking in that 4 hours, this could be an again maybe this A, this is the B and C. So I had a little doubt in this scenario if it is watching in that 4 hours. So if we took this as an impulsive wave, in previous I thought this is an impulsive wave and this is a corrective wave and this is the end of the 4th wave and this is the end of the 5th wave as per in diagonal. But sometimes it's already broken the low here. So if we took it this is an 4th wave end, it could be it's a ABCA, this could be a B, so this could be one more chances, but this is not is a possible only. What I am trying to say is a possible only. It can do like this and then it can shoot also. So there is a lot of possibilities of according to the price action, but it is creating a base to move the upside. So let's move on to Euro USD. So the same, that is also in inverted, it's a 3-way drive, and I'll show you that. I have already shared my view, the trading view also. So 1 2, so 3, and this is the 4th. 5th way is an ending diagonal, ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, so ABC4 and ABC5. The same thing in the DXY also formed. So here also the same 3 drive, and I'm now expecting a downside, and this weekly chart also a bearish. In previous also that was a bearish pin bar, and this is something, its a body is bigger than that previous one. So here it's a bullish pin bar now in the daily. In previous it was there and now it is also there, but actually here in the 1 hour it's clearly seen, it's a 1 2, it's a 3 4 and 5. So now this is also A, B and C. What it will do is either this could be a 1 2 3 4 and 5. Somebody, if it saw like this is a C wave and looking like a 5-way structure, and in that 3-way structure everybody will go for that buy for expecting this kind of wave formation. But what it will do is, this is an A, clearly seen the wedge formation A, and that B is a 3-way structure, and here also that in 15 minutes clearly seen that 5-way structure, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 is a leading diagonal A, and A B C B and C is in 5-way structure. Maybe happen, it's like kind of this kind of wedge formation can also, or it could be a little bit bigger than what we expected. So according to that FIB expansion level 1618 is possible. So again this in previous, this zone is a achievable or resistance zone. So if it comes here I will be, but I didn't add anything because I told, right, I'm not sure about that, and I'm already having the position from here itself at 1.1810. Still I'm not added anything. So first I need a confirmation, and here it's a clear confirmation for me. It's a irregular flat. What it is happening? So 1 2 3 4 5, after the 5 it's a irregular flat. So if it comes nearby this zone, I will add, and keeping the stop loss for this adding position is a high. So the previous I didn't place any stop loss for the 1.1810. What I shorted here, 1 second, yeah, I shorted here itself 1.810. Still now I didn't add anything, just keep on moving only the intraday setups, as I did in Australian dollar also. So now it's looking like a confirmation, and here if it comes in this zone at 1.1910 or whatever it is, I will short again this pair, adding the position, and for the adding position I will place a stop loss of this as a stop loss. And if it hit also, I just keep on watching whether if it is a confirmation, I will add again here. So for the target of, I'm expecting as a reversal. So my positional target is, it has to break this low. But I had a doubt, and I already explained the DXY also. Lot of chances it has to reach this 1.12, and then again it can make a one more high. After that only it can break. So that possible is also there. I will explain in the DXY also. So if it is there, and again this will make a three-way structure up to 98, and then there is a possible to break this low also, but it won't go because it's already broke this one channel, and this is the next supporting channel. It won't do like this, but if it does also, again we have to rearrange all those things. If it break this, and this as an expanded flat is got invalid, and again this is a 1 2 3 4 5 only. So this for the 5 waves, this could be an again that irregular flat formation, and then again it can go up to this, and then again to the downside only. So be cautious. If it breaks this view will get invalid, my positional view get invalid, and this is hard to break this high and this high. So still if it didn't break, means still there is a chances to break this 103.82, and even though if it can go as chances for the 109 also. So that is my view. So let's see. So what we have to do in Euro USD is, my first target is 1.12 here in the zone. In this zone I have to book profit because there is no support here. So it will be once if it breaks this 1.690, it will be a free fall. So up to this 1.16. So I told you the 1.12. So this is my next first target. So we have to watch this formation, this wave formation we need to watch. So whether if it is coming in the 5-way structure to end here, so there will be again this kind of 3-way structure and then again fall. Otherwise if it is struggling in the three ways, that is also possible, but in that kind, if it is in a Y is a diagonal wave, because I make it is as the Y here, X, and again the Z wave also may be a here for the this is an W. So this is a W, this is a X. So A, B, C for that Y wave of Z wave may be a diagonal also. Like this kind of price action can occur. So be sure and be cautious in this zone. But the connecting waves completed is a very speed. So maybe again there will be a not this kind of wave structure. I'm not expecting diagonal wave. So let's see, market can happen and it can do it whatever it needed. So let's move on to GBP USD. So GBP USD also, that previous, this I told this as a triangle, I kept this as triangle, and from here if it breaks this high, we simply need to remove this triangle and we have to keep this as an B, and here we have to move this as a 1 2. So here is the 3 and here is the 4 and fifth way is completed. And again there is, because as per that Euro USD, that is also a 5-way structure, and this is also looking like a 5-way structure. The 1 2 3 4 and that sharp drop 5. So here it's looking like an expanding leading diagonal. It's not like that. That view, it's looking like that. So whether if this is also in a 5-way structure, we will get another 3-way structure to the upper side, and then a massive drop ahead, because in the positional view I already explained that we are having the bearish trend line channel from here, and I kept this as an 1 2 3, and we are in that 4th wave. So 5th wave has to break this low, the previous low, or it has a chances to break this low also. So that we will see later. For this week I am expecting, see exactly that trend line, it's also there and we are getting rejected, and this is also the previous massive resistance zone. And again we have to look for this. If we keep this as an okay, I already did here. So this is a 786 and this is a 1. So 78 is the maximum we can reach. So we already did here as a ABC. So this is an W, X, ABC is a Y for this 4th wave, 3rd, and this is the 4th wave. Now I am expecting the 5th wave has to break this low. So now I am expecting that the DXY is also a bullish. So let's move on to Australian dollar. That is also, I had an already 2 scenario. I explained you to that last week video also. This we can keep it as a B, and C we can be a 1 2 3 4, and as per this scenario for the last week, if it is a 3-way structure, that could be a 4, but this is not looking like a 3-way structure. So now what I have to do is I need to stick to my previous analysis, as this as a W, A B C is a W, and this is the connecting, and again A B C as a Y is completed, and again the triangle X, and here is a 1 2 3 and 4, A B C is a 5. So this is the 5th way is a diagonal triangle. So here to here, this is looking like an same expanded from 2 to 3. So this is looking like an expanded ending diagonal triangle. So after that, this is also in that 1 hour, it's looking like a 5 waves. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So every all EU GU as per now is a AU, it's all from the 5-way structure. So now here from here it's a So B can be a little bit complex, sorry, it's a correction ABC, and then C, it can be like this, because the 5-way structure we have to expect minimum 38.2 to 50% only. If it is a wave 1, we can expect up to 61.8 or 78.6 sometimes, because if it is a zigzag, and if we switch over to the 15 minutes, 1 2 3 and the 4 is coming, so after that, that fifth wave can end. So fifth one can go up to like this. After this correction can happen. So for this is the, if it is a zigzag, this also we will get 38.2 retracement, and then again there is a one more fifth wave. So second wave will be a zigzag only most of the time as per Elliott waves. If it is a wave 1, waves 2 is almost a zigzag only. So I'm expecting maximum here in this zone 50 to 61.8. so again, if it isn't there, I think we may get an intraday trade also to do that for fast and quick for the C wave, and then immediately we need to be in sell side. So as per that, I didn't add anything as of now. I just having that only one position at 7210. The same, I didn't add anything, and I didn't done anything for as of now this week. I did only that Bitcoin I did, and I added my position, and UJ same, still watching you, everything it's the same, and I didn't done anything. I just concentrated in the equities. It's looking good, and equity is also falling now. So after that fall of the correction end means we have to be in buy side in that equities also. So let's move on to, so I think I have already told a lot of times, I'm expecting this way has to break this low. So this is the W and this is the connecting wave, and again I need a 3-way structure to the downside. Or if the dollar index, what I said, right, if it dollar is getting rejected at 98 to 100 zone, again if it breaks that whatever the low it made on day before yesterday of 91.75, 90.75 or 91.75, once again we will check that. That's 91.75. If it again, if it comes like this and if it breaks this low, there is a lot of chances for AUD USD can come up to this zone, that 65, and then again it has a chances for moving, and then it will become a bullish only, it won't break this low. So again what we have to do is, this ABC is a completely, it's a W, X, and the Y is finished at the diagonal. So we have to be move in that bullish fact only. After that, if it DXY again broke that, if it breaks that 91.75, so that let me see later onwards. Now we will move on to New Zealand dollar. So same New Zealand dollar also, I'm expecting that it's already done that. See, we are in that irregular flat, and this is a W, A, B, C is a W, X. So again what I am thinking is Y is completed and Z has to this one. From here it has a chances to go up. That's what I said in that Australia DXY. That is an alternative scenario. Now it has a chances to break this low, because this is in the weekly. See, this is in W, is a B, C is a W, and WX is an irregular flat. So as for this X, it's a A, and we are in that B wave. So this B wave has to complete to break this low, the previous. See, this is A, B, C is A, B, C is a B. So what is the next is C wave. So C wave contains of 5 waves, but this is what I am trying to say is to understand. It's not a 5 waves, this is the 5 swings I am expecting. So here also the 3 swings, here also the 3 swings, and after the 3 for the flat correction I need a 5-way structure. So whether it has to break this or this, that is not so important. If it breaks this, that will be an expanded. If it didn't break this low, that will be a running flat. So simply this is an A, so this is an B is already, and then again C has to whether break this low or this low. So this is a running flat I am expecting here as a irregular flat here, the B wave. So once that B wave get over, it has a chances to break all the high, this 94880, but I am expecting here 93294 I am expecting. Once it, so that is my positional view. So once this is ABC and W is the EX, and then again to the downside. So that is all weekly my positional view. So that will took more time. So right now what I am seeing here is that same bearish count. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, so this is a B and C is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So ABC, so it's here is a AX, ABC is completed. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So whatever we can in the daily, in the weekly, see this is a B, C is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So simple. And if we switch to that daily, it's a little bit tough. And as per the rules, it's already touched that 1618, but it didn't go beyond that. So this is valid for that 4th way irregular flat, and then 5th way is completed. So that is why I am every time keep on watching that in that weekly. That is too easy to calculate whether that count is completed or not. So here also it's a ABC is a W, and A B C W X A B C. So in weekly it's very easy, all the swings. So what it do, A B and again C. So let's move on to USD CAD. See USD CAD also, it's again keep on rejecting this zone. So here also 1 2 3 4 and 5, it's looking like that in weekly. So in daily, so WX A B C, and here it is a one more low is possible, maybe or may not be. From here itself I am keep on saying like that only, it's keep graining there, not able to, because it's a diagonal triangle, it's keep on extending, and I explained well in that last video also. So whether this could be a 1 2, so this is an ABC is a W, X ABC is getting over, and if it is a triangle it can be a 4th wave, and 5th wave is a B C is completed, or the whole thing is a and this is a B and we are in the C wave to the downside, or if it is making a triangle and then it can make a one more to the downside is possible. So until if it breaks this channel we can't say anything. if it break above this channel and closing above this channel, and it has to retest this channel, after that only it is in bullish scenario. Until then I'm not sure about this, still keep draining that. As per now this is my last count, I think so. There is no more account here. Because why I'm saying like that means, here it's a wave 1 length, and if we keep this as a wave 4, exactly we are in that 100 and we are getting rejected and it bounced in the 3 waves. But here what I'm expecting is a 3-way structure only. So once the WXABC is how that is a 3-way structure, I'm expecting the same thing in 3-way structure. Here once it got rejected, this also formed a 3-way structure, ABC and again ABC. So like that we didn't know whether how much the deeper correction is. At that time what we everybody looking for, that again it has to break, there is a chances like that. I said right, the same thing happening here also, we didn't know that. Here also the 3-way structure, and again the 3-way structure is completed in the daily, sorry 1 hour, ABC. So again there is a ABC is formed. So whether it is, if it breaks above this high and if it is closed in the 4 hour and in the daily as well as, so there is a lot of chances to go for that 1.38 to 1.42. that is my target for this bullish scenario. So now let's move on to USD JPY. So USD JPY, it's done nothing. Still there is a lot of chances to come to the downside, and even though if it goes drop nearly to that 1910 also, the UJ didn't move here. So this is waiting for that structure to complete. So when that gold is moving to the higher side, it can go below also. So here I am not able to come to a conclusion whether this is a A, B, C is a W, and we have a still chances if it comes like this, that is an X wave, and again there is a chances for A, B, C to reach that 107.8 what I said in the previous, and the previous it was on 108.1. now that bearish channel is coming towards to this zone. So as of now nothing, there is no conclusion here. So how to trade? Nothing. I am having that position. If it comes here, I will book my position what I had did. I already again that added my position at 105.65 what I said, the same. I didn't done anything. If it comes to below that 103, I will add my position. Otherwise if it comes to here, and I will exit my 2 position, and then I have to wait for the wave formation, and then only I have to add my position. And still I am having the 3 positions. One is at the previous April 1st or April 24th, I had already bought that 108.65. I'm still having that in this zone. Yeah, on June 4th, because I added at April, and again I booked here, and again I bought up here itself. So that is why I'm still having the position. Now I already bought it here at 104.4, you know that, and I booked here 106.75, and again I bought buyback at 105.65. now still having that. If it comes here, I will book that 2 positions what I added here, and still there is no wave count here. Still there is no, it's a lot of confusion, because this is not correlating to now the gold, and stocks are also falling and gold is also falling. UJ is didn't done anything. Stocks falling means what has happened? USD CHF has to fall, but it is keep on rising. UJ is done nothing. So there is no correlation between from the past 3 to 4 months after the corona drop. There is no correlations in DXY, UJ, and UCAD also. UCAD is keep on falling, and the crude is also falling. So crude and stocks are very much correlated. When the stocks coming down, crude is also coming down. but UCAD is also coming down. So nowadays it's very tough to correlate the pairs and then to took the trade. So according to here what we have to see and what we are seeing, according to that only we have to trade. So no correlations. In past I did lot of times, and but from past 4 to 5 months it's not correlating anything. See, UJ done anything. Gold already dropped nearly to $80. UJ done nothing. It's nearly 70 pips is the movement. So let's move on to, so UJ in this week I don't have any idea. So still I'm just keep on watching, because if it is an impulsive way to the downside, there is this could be a end of X. This X can be end here, means this could be a, this could be a B. So this is a, C contains of 5 waves. So this could be a wave 1. So we are in the wave 2. So 3 can drop aggressively, and after that consolidation for the 4th wave, and 5th wave can go below that 103 what I said, and I have already placed the order also. So at that time gold can give you a pullback also. So if it drops like this, and gold can be a little bit pullback, because I am expecting Euro USD, GBP and Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, everything little bit to the pullback. So at that time this gold can be a pullback, and UJ can give you a low also. And let's move on to USD CHF. And if it is in the bullish scenario, means it has to break this low. But what kind of wave formation here, I didn't catch anything here, because this is a short drop. So this could be an A. We can't make it as a W because it's a 5-way drop, 5-way structure. We can make it as an A, B, C, and if it is a W, there is an A, B and C can be a X also. But here it is not yet broken this low. So how can we do? I didn't know anything about this here. So if it is any clear path and clear direction, I will share my view in the Trading View Telegram channel or Facebook pages. But I'm not, nowadays I'm not posting a lot of, because of the time consumption. I don't have a lot of times to now to post in a lot of sites like a LinkedIn and Facebook pages. I just keep on updating in the only the Telegram channel and the Trading View and in one of my forum. So let's move on to USD CHF. So USD CHF also, it's already broken the channel, bearish channel, and retested and bounced. So it's look like it can be a bullish side also here. So 1, 2, 3 and the 4th is ended here. A, B, C, like that. So in the diagonal formation it could end at here, right? Or there is, because this is looking like a 3-way structure again, it could be an anything, means because UJ have a one more drop, means this also be a one more drop, but it's looking like a DXY pattern here also. So let's see, I'm not sure about that, but I have already placed an order at 8850 to buy more. So it's look like the same DXY pattern, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So looks on the daily. Yeah, daily is also bullish. I think weekly is also engulfed. Yeah, outside bar. So this is a bullish only. So let's see how the market moves. By I'm already having that position, that you know. So I already placed one more at 8850. If it comes down, it will add, and it already broken that 5 years low here, and we are in the above that low. So my positional view is it has to break this high 1.034, and it has to come to reach this. I think this is a channel I draw just for a rough channel. So this is my view, and it has to 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yeah, after once it reached, there is a lot of chances to come to the downside. So if it breached here, that UJ also what I said, no, it's 118. So everything have a massive massive fall will happen in that US dollar once it reached the 109, once it reached the DXY. So there is a lot of chances. So let's move on to what we having next is UCAD finished, UJ finished, UCHF. So let's move on to AJ. AUDJPY, I'm just I done nothing because I already had a doubt, and I explained you whether this is an one second. Yeah, because if we keep this as a ABC is a WX, ABC is a Y, this is a triangle, irregular flat of running flat, and ABC is completed. So once that three-way structure is finished, it could be an end of that Z wave also. Or if the C wave is a little bit extended, the fifth wave contains of how it contains of here. Like that, it has a chances means 1, 2 has to finish, and then 3, 4 and 5 it has to shoot. So just now we have to wait for that clear direction. As of now, this is an looks like three-way structure. It's A, B, yeah, it's looking like a three-way structure. So let's move on, but I'm not sure about this. But once if it breaks this high of 78, it will reach to that previous high in this zone 80. That is the next achievable target in that 5-way pattern, because this is an W. Yeah, A, B, C is the W, A, B. So this is a W and then the X. So A, B, C. So there is a lot of chances for the room to the upper side, but it don't want to break this low 75. That is an invalidation for this pattern, because if it is a 1, we will get another three-way structure to the upper side. It's possible like this, and then drop, or it can drop from here itself. If it comes near to this zone, we can place the stop loss of this for the 75 50 zone, or 75 50. We can make it as a stop loss 10 pips below that. For that is for only spread. Okay, because this is an wave 1, wave 2 cannot overlap, and it won't go low. There is no rules for to break the wave 1 low. So that is the invalidation point for that C wave if it is a 5-way structure. So we will wait for this has to drop here, and then we have to add the positions only if it breaks above that 78.50, or if you sure about this, if it is an wave 1 in that intermediate wave of that wave 3, this is a wave 2. So if it is goes like this, you can place above buy with the stop loss of this. Like that we can trade. So once this, if it is gets breaks that anchor, then we can buy. Otherwise, safe trade is above that 78.5 to the target of 81 or 80. Once again we will look for that. Yeah, 80, 81 is achievable target, and we have to no need to exit the position until it clears that. If it is a wave 1, wave 2 means wave 3 is a 1.618, but sometimes it will be in wedge formation also in the C wave. So mind that it can be a overlap and it can be a diagonal also in the C wave. So if it is a one second, we will see for the C wave target 1.618, it's already there, but again if we keep this extension from here is a Y and X, so nearly 82 it's coming, 786. So let's see. And in CAD JPY, so I will show you my it's a weekly time frame. So I kept ready for that positional view. So this is a B C is a diagonal triangle pattern and completed here. So again ABC is a W, and this is an connecting wave X, and this is got like a A. So we are in the B wave. So mind that this is a weekly chart. So each candle took 1 week to complete. So this is a very positional what I am trying to say. So A, B, let's see whether if it is I'm just trying for that if it could be a triangle also, but no need, because this is in complete of the 5 ways is a A. So this is a W and X. So now we have to make for that Y way, because it's already broken this low. So this could be an irregular flat of running flat, that is what I have written, and if it breaks this 91.65, that could be an expanded flat and again fall only. So I'm keep on watching this, and if we took it as a daily, here is an confusion. So we know whether it has to reach that 87, right? But in that 4-hour shorter time frame, how we trade. So this is an ABC is a A, so B and C is over. So here it's a W. Okay, I think I did in the another. No. So we will. Yeah, I think I posted in that trading view. So have a look there. I kept this as a W. So again here is an X completed, A, B and C is an as a Y. After that we can make it as an W or Y, and here is a doubt because this could be a running flat also. So if it possible for the running flat, see this whole thing become a B, this is the B, and the whole 5-way movement could be a C. Whether this is a 5-way is movement is over, or still we are having one more high is possible, but not to break this high. So B here also it's looking like A, B, and it could break this high and again fall also from here. So if it fall means this A whole thing becomes B and C can drop to break this low. So what is the previous? It's a support, and then from here it's a W means or Y, and this could be an X, and again ABC is possible. That is why I'm not entered here. I am waiting for to break this 81.92. That is a safe entry. So in past also I posted for that CAD JPY, that is a positional view. It's here. See, this is a W. So WX ABC, and this is an X. ABC is completed as a Y. So X, and it is in that channel. So whether this is a 1 2 3 4 5 is a A, and B can be to the downside, and Z wave, or what I am expected here is, if it is not this ABC is a WX ABC, there is a lot of chances for this is a W ABC, it may be a W X. So here it's a A, and then B and C. So this could be an ABC is a A, and here also I think, 1 second, we will move on to, yeah, if this is an A, okay, so WX or ABC is a 5S structure. So this possible is A, B and C is fall. So there is a lot of chances to that also, but this is an channel what I placed there. Simply we have to clone. So there is a lot of chances to come to this or this side. So that we have to watch, and then we have to trade. So safe entry is about that 81.95. That is the safest entry. Otherwise we have to wait for this zone or 77 or that 79. So let's move on to New Zealand CAD. Yeah, New Zealand CAD also. 1 second. Yeah, this is my positional view. It's a same diagonal triangle formation here. So 1 2 3 4 5, or if it is a W X ABC is a W X ABC, each and every wave got a 3 waves inside. So this is the end of Y, and again X ABC is a Z. So this is a W, and after that is a ABC is a W, and here is an running flat of X, and this is the end of the Y. It's already broken this low, so that is I did as a Y. If it is in reverse, it don't want to break this low. You understand that if it is a bullish, the trend change means once that ABC, and this is the connecting wave and this is the ABC over, it has to shoot, and I don't want to break this low, but it's already did a low, and again there is a bullish scenario here. So, and it's respecting the channel, and again that X wave is again it's a expanded flat. Here it is a running flat. Again for the connecting wave X is did a expanded flat. Now I am expecting the Z wave to the downside here. So that is my positional weekly view. So now we will switch on to that daily. So this looks like 1 2 3 4 5 ways over, and again here also 5 ways over. So now we have to, what we have to see is another 3 wave structure to that 87.27, and then again a B wave for that A. This is a B. So once it is strong and it get us after the rejection, if we get the rejection here without breaking this high, and I make it as a high as a stop, again we can see a lot of room to travel to the downside. So once it break this low, that is confirmation of E. Then we can add the position in the pullback, or if you switch into that 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, you can add the position also. I already placed that order at 8910, because sometimes if we switched into that 4 hour chart, this is looking like a 1 2, so 3, this could be a 4, and 5 can come to this zone and then again can drop also. We are expecting for that zigzag formation, but this could be a diagonal triangle also from this here, or either it could be an ABC, A, B and C, 1 2 3 4 5. So there is a chance, lot of chances for ending here also, but I am looking to one more, maybe like this it can happen, or from here also it can do like this and then drop. So either way I am just looking for this drop. Just we will see. Yeah, let's see how it moves, but my positional target is below that to the downside. And I already 2018 I have already posted that there is a lot of chances for making the 9-2 I told, but it did expanded flat, and I already posted that. You just have a look on that in my profile picture and just view for that New Zealand CAD. It's already done on 2018. It's the same thing, it is happening. So let's move on to next. If we finish that US 30, then we will see on that commodities. This I explained that last week itself. Sometimes it's looked like a 5 waves, that is why I have shorted here, and again it's looking like a more room to the upper side, so that is why I have exited my position, and then again I added here at 28,450, and again what I have done is I explained that here I just keep on holding that position for the target to the below 26. I am expecting the target for the first target is 26,500 from here itself. But what happened here, again did a 5-way structure, and again I exited the position here itself 28,200 and booked the 250 pips. But after that it's not a good thing to count here, so I'm not sure about this. And then again I didn't watch anything, because here also I explained in SPX, in S&P 500 and that Nifty, there is an S&P 500 and US 30. It's all looking like it's look like a 5 waves. So because of this 5 waves only, I just keep on shorting this to make this kind of wave formation from here for that irregular flat effect across this. So that is why I just keep on shorting this pair. And once I got a doubt, because in S&P 500 it's already broken and this high also, but in US 30 it is not yet, and now it is falling like a rock here. So nearly 1500 pips, it's already done, 1600. Now what I'm expecting here is, see, I'm not able to make this. How we have to calculate this, whether it's a B, C is a W. So we have, if it is a 3-way structure, we need to place as X. So A, B, C. So once it completed, whether it is a continuation for the bullish formation, it can continue. After that, this is a Y, and again there will be an X formation, like this kind of wave it has to done here. and then after the x it has to move for the z wave, or it could be a diagonal also. So a b c is a 1, and we are in that a b c as a, this is a w, so 2 is there. So a b c is a w and we are in the x, and again it is a bullish formation only. It is in bullish formation because I marked it as a third here. So whether this is making a triangle, it is also possible for the triangle also, because it completed the three-way structure now, and here also it's a three-way structure. So there is a lot of chances for making a triangle, and once if it breaks this, then that will be a bullish scenario. Until that, there is a lot of chances for making a 21,700. Here it's making a triangle, because if it is a the market it as a third waves completed. So I will show you that in that weekly. See, this is a 1 2, and it's already broken this low, but I'm having no data here. That is why it may be again below only. That is why I have kept this as an. So once we will check for that in any other, we having that Dow Jones. No. So US 30 in the Wall Street. Yeah, we having the data. So that is why I have kept this as a 1 2. Anyway, it has to be like this only. Otherwise, if we have to start, means this is the end of that 1 2 3 4 5. So again we have to be in the downside only. So as per now, I'm just kept it's a 1 2, so 3 and 4 could be a triangle, and then it could be a fifth way to the upper side, because in Nifty also the same thing what I have suggested, and in S&P 500 also it's looked like a bullish. See, I already did here, it could be a triangle. So this is an maybe a irregular flat also. This also, see, A B C is a W. Again if it is a X, so here A B and C completed means this is the X, A B C completed, so three-way structure. So once the three-way structure is completed, again there will be a drop in again three-way structure, or if it is in a diagonal formation, it can keeps like that, like in US Tech, I think so. The weekly chart, yes. See, this is a corona drop, and then it zoom, right? So let's move on to the daily chart. Here, see, it's keep on graining and keep on rising. So this could be a chances for like this, and so anyway, let's see, because there is still chances for making a regular flat. It's possible. So in US 30, what I'm expecting here is maybe it can drop up to what are my first target, and then it can shoot, or further down. If it is a ABC and this is a connecting wave, again ABC is completed. So anyway, this is looking like a three-way structure, so it has a chances for making a 50% drop, or if it is a triangle, it can drop more also. So anyway, we didn't have any conclusion right as of now. So there is a three-way drop, three-way structure, and again I'm expecting a three-way structure to the upper side of 28, because it did done any five-way structure. It's only making a three-way structure only. So again I'm expecting here three-way structure, and then again it can fall. Or what next is option is, it could make a triangle also. So in that scenario, so we have to look for the whole thing, what it is happening. Here it's a ABC is a W, means this, if it is an X, this is a Y, so X way is a triangle, then it can shoot for the Z way to the upper side. Or if it is a bullish scenario, what I said in the diagonal triangle means this could be a sometimes it's look like a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, so here is a A and here is a B, or this could be a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2 and a C. So lot of options here. I'm not saying up to this is a confusion part for me, how we have to took this. Otherwise, if it is, it didn't break that 101.1618 so far. So whether if it is an irregular flat also, if it is a W, if it is kept as a three-way structure, if it is a W, this could be a X. So again the three-way structure, what I said, no, it can come to that downside also here, and then W X ABC is over, and then here if we make it as a ABC is a W or A, then the B, then C can shoot. So this is my plan, and I'm not sure about this 1 2 1 2. It's looking like a bullish scenario. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's see. Anyway, I'm not so confident now. Once that doubt has formed for me, and I'm not sure about this wave formation. So anything, if it is interested for me, and if I got any clear count, and then I will share my view. So let's see, move on gold. So gold also, first I have to show one thing. So there is a chances for, I have already saw at nearly the 7:45 PM in my IST on the NFP, it spiked there, and sometimes that E wave is very small what we expected. I'm expecting to short at 1970 to 1980 zone, and E wave nowadays it's very 38.2, and then it's dropping. So there is a lot of chances if it is an E wave also. If it is a three-way structure for the A bearish triangle, I'm talking about the bearish triangle, A, B, C, D and E. So there is a lot of chances for that to the downside also. That is also one more view. So that is why I have explained that, but there is a chances, and I have already got a stopped out here, and I already exited my, but my view is stopped out here, because once I, in that the last week I said there is a chances for this kind of triangle also. A, whole things B, C, D and E. It got rejected here, and it didn't break that previous high, and I didn't get stopped out, and immediately if it comes here, and I exited at break even. In 1960 I exited my break even. I have already the position at 1971 and 1960. I exited at 1960 zone, because it's already, if it is getting rejected, it has to come to the aggressive. This is not looking like a so aggressive. From here I'm expecting, and then what it happened on the next day itself, it went, but it didn't trigger my stop exactly. and I placed at 1979, so it didn't break this, and immediately I exited my position at break even. So now that view got invalid. So but the bearish triangle is still valid. How means, if this is an A, this could be a B, so the whole thing becomes A, B, C as a and then B, the C 5-way structure. So still we having a view in that bearish triangle. So what I thought is, and I have already posted that, the gold before the NFP, before the NFP also, I from here itself, shit, come on, yeah, see, before this, before the NFP, I'm telling, and I have already done. After once that my view is got invalid, and this is a possible C, and the D can happen up to 1923 also here, and it can, we can adjust this also, but until it don't want to break this 1901, that is a low. If it breaks that, the triangle is get invalid. So just we played button, see it's already came down, still now it is valid only. So whether is the end of the D wave, tomorrow we have to see whether if it breaks this high, there is a lot of possibilities to go to that 1960 zone, then this will become like this. We have to short with the stop loss of this or this, that is a safe stop loss, because until what it will happen, ABCA and ABCB means, again if it is a bigger triangle, just it will hit this high and then again may drop. So that time what it will happen, that is why the triangle is, trading the triangle is very very difficult, and the diagonal triangle also. So the whole thing becomes A means B, again this becomes C, and again one more D, E, and then drop. So mind that, that is why we need to execute the position at that valid zone, whether it has to break this D wave, otherwise if it is a bullish wave, it has to break this high, that is a safe. So let's see, right now I am having the two views, either this could be an end of that E wave, or whether it is making another E wave to here, or whether if it is what I said, no, whether if it is break above this and then again it has a three-way structure, means it's again making a bigger triangle. So let's move on to silver. Silver also same. Somebody has asked, this is if it isn't possible for that triangle, and it is a bullish triangle also. That is why I just explained, but I am not sure about this. But in my past view, this is now, it's a valid one. This is, yeah, A, B, C, D and E. So this is an A, B and C completed, and it already broken this. So this is either A, B, C, means this could be an X also. That is why I have already here published here. And now one more idea is, if it is a W, this is an X and this is a A, so and B has to shoot from here, but that is also get invalid because I took it as this one as a E, but it already broken this low. So that A and B is also get invalid now. So right now I'm expecting to the downside only. So here is a one three-way structure is got completed, and WX is over. Now A is also getting completed, and again if it comes to here in this zone, I will be again add my position. I didn't done anything. I just placed above the $29 that I already set. 29,200 I said. So I already placed that, but it didn't come to that level to trigger my sell stop. In previous I did at a 28,900, but again I cancelled and again I placed at 29,200. So anyway, no issues, and if it comes again to this zone, I will be in added my position for the target of $22. So this is the previous fourth wave. So that fourth intermediate wave is my the target for that. 22,400 or 22,200 is my target for if I get rejected here from this zone. So here now that A is also invalid, I will I will delete this. So now this is the X, and we are in that Y wave. So Y wave is contains of three-way structures. So now we move on to US oil. So US oil, finally what I thought is one more way to the upper side is 45 is also possible, I said, but it already broken the high, and that is also valid, and I just mentioned that also there is a room for the $45 is also possible. If it is an A and B and C, there is a lot of chances, but it finished completed here itself, and then now it already dropped. So now what I'm expecting here is a ABC is a and B, and C it's already completed. So it's a W is a X, so A, and again what I'm expecting is a B, and again drop. So stocks and crude is correlated, that you know very well about. When the stocks is moving higher, and then this crude has to move higher also. So now my target for that crude oil is $27 like that. So now I'm expecting here, this is the full of end of the A wave. So here we will get lot of confusions for the B wave, and once it get completed, so I will be in buy side only, I won't short, because once that we know very well about this is a five-way structure, and once for the intraday or for the swing trade we can do with the stop loss, because we are against the trend means. If it comes here, or it can be a little bit higher lower level also, it can deeper correction also it can take up to $19 also. But from here the five-way swing I got completed, and after the ABC we need to be in buy side. So let's see here how it plays. After that rejection of ABC, it becomes W, and then again the connecting wave X, and again bigger ABC has to come to play. So how it will be means around here is a next resistance support zone is a 37.5 here. So it can come up to this zone, and then again it may get rejected. After that this is a connecting wave of X, and that is the major resistance zone here at 42.20, and then again it may drop like A, B and C. So this becomes W, X, A, B, C. See, these are all rough calculations how it comes, but it could be a diagonal also, it could be a wedging formation. So what first we need to, now the wave confirmed as a bearish. Now if you are looking for that further downside means we need to took only sell trade setup, not for the buy. So just look for that sell trade setup for the valid with the keeping stop loss for that target. The next target may be around 37, what I said, 37.50, and the next target is an intermediate wave 4 here. So next target is 31.60. After that is a $24 to $25. So like that kind you have to play. So once it completed, so this thing is a correction. whether it is going to the upper side or it will do like this. In previous it did like that only. Here once the 5-way structure is ended, it did massive correction. Nearly it took 1 year. See, from June 16 to September 17. So nearly 14 months it took. So like that it can happen here also. The 5 waves. So whatever it is, we can't expect what is making, but we know what will be the B wave character. So B wave may be a triangle. First thing is preferable be triangle, or it could be a irregular flat, or it could be a regular flat. The correction only the 3 part, but what will be the maximum B means it's a triangle. So let's see how it play here, and we will move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin I already bought as per my previous, I have explained in my YouTube the last week. Yeah, exactly. 1 second. Yeah, what I said is, if it comes to that, to break this at 10,400 and or 10,800 zone, because this drop is looking like a it's not looking like a 3-way structure, and I will show you. This drop is not looking like a 3-way structure. It's a single drop, so it's an impulsive wave only. See, in the 1 hour the candles nearly 1500 pips. So if we keep this as a drop as a A, so exactly we need to break this. And in YouTube I told, if as per this thing that channel, I told if it comes nearby 10,800 to 10,900, I will be maybe in buy side. But the structure is not yet completed here, because in the past video I told this is a third. It could be an ABC1, ABC2, ABC is a 3, so ABC4 I'm looking for that, and then it can drop like a 5 to this zone, and then again it can be a upper side, right? That is why I have explained at nearly a roughly around in this zone I will be buy side. But what it happened, it did not what I expected and what I explained here. So now this is an A. After the 5 waves, this is a A, and again B. See what it will be, around 5-way structure, right? So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, so it's a 1 2 3 is ended. Again the 4th wave, again 5th wave. So now it already broken that low also, but it could be in 1 2 3, and this is the 4th and 5th wave ended. For this one, this 2 3 4 and 5 is got ended, or it will be again, if it is in any triangle whatever it may be play, I'm not worried about that. There is a one more drop to the downside, means that the 5-way structure is completed, and again I'm expecting to the upper side. But be cautious about this. It's already broken this trend line, but that is not an issue. This is for just for support only. Here it did make a support, and then again it's bounced, right? So now also I'm expected this, but it dropped. So this is for support only but according to the trend line I didn't buy here, because that structure is not yet completed. Here the structure is completed. So now I will remove these trend lines. So this is a support. Now exactly it came here and bounced. So what I am expecting here is, I just place the stop loss above this triangle 9,000, I think 8,700 I place a stop loss. Yes, I placed the stop loss here 8,700 and I entered at 10,380. But in ICA markets they are not allowing to trade in the weekends. But if it drops like this, and then I will have to suffer because the trade won't trigger. It will be a gap down open and the trade, my stop loss, it won't trigger. But this time I took a very small position. I can accept my loss if it drops like this here, and I will accept my loss. But once if it break this high or this high 12,100, I will keep add my position to build my bullish swing, because this is an A, B, C is a W. So X, A completed and B is an expanded flat. So C has be a 5-way structure. So that 5-way structure, once the wave 1 completed, I will look for that wave 2 and I will add. Otherwise I will add above this levels, this 12,100. But I didn't place any order because of this weekend only. I can't trade, so that is why I didn't done anything. Just we will look for this on Monday, then we will decide how we have to move. And one more thing is, it didn't break this high, so and it already fall. That is why I have placed the stop loss. If it hit my stop loss also, again there will be a 3-way structure and then again it may be a fall, but the structure remains same as a bullish, because once A, B, C is completed, this could be an W, X, and A, B, C means it has to break this low or this low also, and after this it has to shoot. So there is a still valid for the bullish scenario. From here itself it as doing, it may do, or after the drop it make a triangle also, because if it is an A or if it is the B means, and the C wave, or if it is a complex correction, if it is making a triangle inside the B wave, so this could be an W, so this could be a. So A, B, C, D, E, and then it could be a possible for the 16,000 zone. So that is why now what I am expecting here is that there is a chances for making a 14,400 from here itself. There is a lot of chances. So that is why I have bought and placed a stop also. So let's see what it will do. But here it is A, B, C, A and B and it's C. It's a very little small C, so I'm not expected that. That is why I would, if it is in W, X, A means B, and then B can be a triangle also again here, and then it can shoot also. Or if it is an A, B, C as a B and C means this is the end of that C. I'm not sure about that, but my intuition says it can be an extended 5th wave for the C wave. That's it. As per that knowledge what I am sharing to you, same thing. Whether if it is a B, C, A, we have to place A means B is a triangle, C got 5-way structure. So this is the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, like that it has to come. And if it is an A, B, C is a W, X also, this is a B and C, again one more 5 waves has to come. So anyway the C wave is ahead. Again if it fall, that's it. That is why it's in market it can do anything. That is why I have placed the stop. That is the invalidation for that bullish. We have to accept that. So this kind of risk we have to take. So I think I finished everything. So Bitcoin, gold, silver, so Bitcoin, DXY, Euro, USD, GBP, AUD, New CAD, JPY, CHF, AJ, CJ, New, NCAD, and US 30. Yeah, everything I finished. So I think thanks for watching my stream, and we will see in the next stream. So then until have a nice trading week, and it's looking like a DXY has created the base. So I think I'm expecting the bullish scenario. So thanks for watching, and we will see in that next week's stream. Thanks a lot. Bye.